This is going to be the elevator at 6003 South Honore Avenue, also known as the Boardwalk. The outside indicator is not on. Is it running? It is running. Alright, let's go to 2. So just a basic Schindler HT here. Here we are at 2. Alright, let's go back down to 1. So this is technically called the Boardwalk at Sarasota, although that's the incorrect address. That is the correct address. Here is your cab view. One of the lights is out. The rest are on though. And also it's really hard to see that one on the indicator. In fact, it looks easy to see in the video, but it's actually hard to see in person. So with that being said, that'll be it.